In this video, IBM Bob, along with the premium package for I, is going to take a look at implementing test cases, executing those test cases, all based on the RPGUnit test framework. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so based on the test plan that we just finished creating back in the previous video, we're going to go ahead and open up our workflow again, where we'll go ahead and select the test suite implementation workflow. This is going to go ahead and leverage that test plan that we just finished creating. So we'll go ahead and proceed. We'll let Bob go ahead and run the necessary skills that are required. And then we'll ask Bob to locate the test plan. Bob will go ahead and do a quick search, finding the test plan that we just finished creating. We can go ahead and select that and let Bob go ahead, starting the process of implementing those test cases. But first, let's validate the system to make certain that it'll work. Do we have the necessary RPGUnit and other items on this IBM I? Once that's done, we're ready to go implement the test case. All right, next step, we'll let Bob get going. Bob's going to read the test plan that was just created. Bob's going to go ahead and review the code again to make certain that it understands all the necessary details. It's then going to leverage those templates that we created for the test plan to go start filling out the necessary pieces of the puzzle. It's going to go implement the test suite. It's going to go implement any of the pre-setup. It's going to go implement the post-setup. Of course, like all good Bob workflows, we have our to-do list where you can see exactly step by step what Bob is going to do to complete this particular process. Here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first document that Bob's created. Here you can see that Bob has gone and created the document for the modules. Going to look to see what APIs that we want to execute. And it's an RPG-free modern program based on that RPGUnit test framework. Each of the different test cases, all detailed here, including comments to help you understand what's going on. Next, we'll have Bob go create the test suite. This is where Bob will go ahead and set up, implement, and tear down the necessary pieces to properly execute these test cases that were just implemented. So here we go, the review the testing JSON file, and then we'll go ahead and let Bob actually run the test cases. Again, we need to approve this. Once we've approved it, Bob is going to go ahead and kick off the RPGUnit test framework. It's going to take the test cases that were just created and actually execute them. Going to go through, validate, see how they work. Bob is going to go review the results to determine if there are any potential problems that were encountered. Alas, Bob found a problem. Bob will go ahead, review the issue that was found, make an assessment, and then go and make the necessary updates to the test cases that were just implemented a short minute ago. Bob will go make those changes. Once those changes are done, we'll be able to go take and review them. We'll be able to go see those changes in a really nice little diff view where we can see the red items are what got removed, the green items are what Bob added to correct these particular problems. All right. Give Bob another second to finish up that writing process. There we go. We can go ahead and take a look to see what was changed to correct this problem. Now that we've got this corrected, we can go ahead and approve this document. And to validate, once again, Bob's going to go ahead and execute the test plan again with the updates that were made. Let's see how Bob did this time. So the RPGUnit framework is now getting started up. Test cases are being executed. There we go. There are tests, all the different ones that have been identified, each one executed. And you can see in the summary results, we got a green checkboxes all around and a pass. All right, 24 test cases were just ran. All of them passed. And it even validated and leveraged the code coverage support so we can actually take a look at how much of the code was actually covered as part of this. We get our summary document where we can clearly see what test cases were run, what were the final results. Again, a successful bit of testing, all leveraging IBM Bob and the premium package for I, leveraging a spec-driven development process where we create a test plan, create and implement the test cases, and then automate the execution and validation of those test cases, helping you modernize safely and with confidence on IBM I.